Hello. So, Nurse Ann here. I thought it was about time for me to give you an update about how my summer garden came out and also about my sister's garden because we saw the watermelons and the bell peppers. Yes, I have enjoyed eating those also. So, I'm going to show you some pictures of what our garden did. Let's start with my sister's watermelons. Oh, yes, they were delicious. And let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Hello, so this is an update on the watermelon patch from my sister Maxine. And you can see that I almost didn't make a picture because it was so good. I almost ate it up. So there's two little pieces left from the watermelon that I picked, and it was delicious. Also, let me let you see what my garden did. So I was on vacation for a little while, but I did have some help getting them watered. So got a few cucumbers, lots of okra. I am still getting okra. I have made okra soup. I have made fried okra. Okay, I know fried okra is not the best, but it was good. And of course, boiled okra. And okra with my peas and okra with my greens. I just know I'm just having a ball with these okra. Okay. Thank y'all for following me. I will have some updates with you soon. Nurse Ann here.